Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into a quick guide on how to set up workflow automation in Zoho Project. This is a crucial skill to have in 2025, as it can save you countless hours of manual task management. Let's first go to the Zoho Project dashboard and select the project where you want to set up the automation. This is the starting point for any project management task and where all your task interactions will take place. Now that we've done that, find the automation option in the left-hand panel and click on it. This is where you can automate various aspects of your project, including task assignments, notifications, and status updates. Next up, click the Add Rule button. Here we start to define the conditions for our automation. This helps us because it allows Zoho to know when to trigger the automation, making your work more efficient. Now in the Trigger section, define your rule. This could be when a task is created or when a task status changes to complete. The reason we do this is to ensure that the automation happens exactly when we want it to, providing a seamless workflow. Next, select the action to specify what the system should do when the rule is triggered. This could be sending an email notification, changing the task status, or assigning the task to a team member. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is using your instructions to automate the next steps in your workflow, freeing up your time for other tasks. Finally, hit Save to activate your rule. Let me explain why this matters. Your rule is now live and will run automatically based on the conditions you've set, helping you manage your project more efficiently. That's all there is to it. Just like that, you've set up workflow automation in Zoho Project. It's a great way to streamline your project management and focus on what really matters to you. Remember, the key here is to clearly define your triggers and actions to ensure your automation runs smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more practical guides like this one. Until next time, happy automating.